Copy that. We'll be looking for it.
So this is something a buddy of mine named RJ Gritter showed me how to do. We call it the Gritter file. So we start with 1 dash for an I. And we'll reverse the turn really quick. You got your 1 eye, we can't have a black box, so we got to have 2 eyes. Here's number 2. If we've got a face and we got a couple eyes, then we need a big old smile on it. And here comes that smile.
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think of that, Hammond? Let's put our hands together.